knee. He's a 3-inch specimen. I got it from Montreal. It costs $100 at the pet store. It's a golden knee.
No, it's our pet.
He doesn't mind if you hold him, but he can still bite. If he can kick hairs if he's scared. As you can see, there's a little thread coming out of his abdomen. I'll put him down on the table so you can see him.